Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I received my new mug press, so let's go ahead and see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. I will tell you this, I have the 8-in-1 heat press that you can find on like eBay and even on Amazon, and some of the things work okay, some of the things do not. The hat press is okay, the shirt press is okay, but when it comes to the mugs, it's a piece of junk that doesn't work at all. And I have had plenty of orders here, people wanting me to print them mugs, and so I decided to up my game a little bit, spend a little more money, see if we can't get something better to print mugs with and have better results. Okay, I got this from eBay. It's a free sub. Okay, good old information. Got a lot of information. Easy enough. Bigger than I thought it was going to be. A lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Just warm it up. It's got some damage to it. As long as the stuff's okay, it's not going to be an issue, but there's some wear spots here, some scratches there. As long as the stuff works on the inside, it's the main thing, but looks like it's been banged up a little bit. Okay, anyways, alright, that's it for this part. Next thing you'll see us do is actually print some mugs. Alright guys, catch you later. Bye.